What's up, everybody? How y'all doing? It is Sunday night, February 1st, which means I have three weeks left in school. Tomorrow morning, hopefully, I pass. I gotta do my bend test for flux and MIG. Hopefully, I pass that. I'll pass it, and then I can go on to TIG and get TIG in 3 weeks. Then I can be I think I'm gonna, if I can do that, I will be a combo welder. I think. I don't know. Um, Sitting in the van, as you can see, just putzing around a little, getting antsy. Definitely ready to spice things up, hopefully, here on the channel, and do stuff different. I hope, hopefully. You know, I do my best, and like I said, is right now the biggest concern for me is graduating welding school. Step one. Step two is finding work and being in Florida and working there and being with my son and having more adventures. No more of this going down to Florida for the winter and then sitting up in Wisconsin in the summer, spring and summer. No more. It's time to spice things up. It's time to live. It's time to do things different. It's time to be a little bit unscripted. Well, you know what? It is unscripted because, we could sit here and talk about, oh, I'm going to do this, and that, and all this, and watch it not be that. So, just got done watching the Chrome Projects video for today, and he's got me. His videos are definitely motivating. Anyone who follows him knows his channel. He's changed up his channel. He spiced it up a little. It's no longer van life. Yeah, well, it's still van life, but it's not Van City van life. So it's kind of the idea that I'm kind of wanting to do now. It's, done 3 years of van life with me, and now it's time to, now that I'm going to welding school, it's time to spice it up. I'm ready to go. I'm tired of sitting, being stuck in one spot in cold weather, which I'm not complaining, but it sucks. Don't want, yeah. So, hopefully tomorrow I do good on my bend test and move on to TIG, hopefully move on to TIG and do good on TIG. And 19th of February, I drive down to the Cape Canaveral area and find work and begin a new adventure. I know April I gotta go up back to Wisconsin for 2 appointments. And then back down to Florida. I definitely need to definitely want to get established as a traveling welder. Change the name of the channel to something a little more exciting than van life with me. Have a little bit more of an income to where I can start having, other than just a cell phone I have a drone, which I got to practice, and been saying that for 2 years now. Time to get off my ass. But yeah, it's time to change things up and quit being so boring. But I just wanted to let y'all know what's going on, how I'm doing. I'm surviving, I'm living, ready to go. Got ants in my pants. Not literally ants in my pants, that would suck. Um, just ready to go. I'm, been here since, I want to say, about 5 days before I started school. So since mid-November. But now it's time. I'm ready to go, but I need to finish school first. So, but yeah, that's it. My new subscribers, welcome to the squatchly weird life of me, and welcome to the family. For anyone that's watching that's not subscribed, be greatly appreciated if you would tap that subscribe button, like, comment, and all that. I'm currently at 97 subscribers, which, oh boy, 3 years ago, if you told me I'd have that many by now, yeah, I'm excited. I'm glad to have all of you on the channel. I am hopefully gonna do better to where I can get more subscribers and get monetized on here, which I am not. So that's another thing I would love to accomplish on this channel. Yeah, 97 subscribers, all 97 of you. I'm greatly appreciated and glad you are here. Very happy you guys, gals, and all that are here. Thank you. This is the squatchily weird welding van life, over the road, only things can get better from here. In God's eyes, God's at the wheel. God's, But anyway, live life, love life, enjoy life, treat each other the way you'd want to be treated. To my son, Matt, I love you. You're the greatest. The world is yours. Always be here for you. So, until next time, stay weird, stay squatchy, and love life.